There you go, this is the matrix that we did for Jayce Baudry. Welcome to Jayce Baudry French Pastry. My friend Jayce Baudry, he asked me to provide him with food stamps, and I told him, look, if you have the need for custom tools or a special project that you want to do, I'll be happy to bring my engineering to the table, and your talents will combine to create something great. So that's how we initiated a chocolate bar project. We come up with the design of a gemstone chocolate bar to associate something fancy with the pastry, and it was time to optimize the program and simulate it to make sure that that beautiful five-axis machine didn't crash or have collisions. So we simulated and optimized it with a software called Vericut, the leader in simulation and optimization on the market. I created also the toolpath for a five-axis machine located at Haas Allendale, and kindly air turbine spindles helped me to put together all the tooling necessary. We had the help of celebrity machinist Jim Quinn. He helped us to set up the machines and make it happen.
So today we're working on a chocolate mold master for Jayce Baudry. And using the air turbine spindle, we were able to cut with a 32nd diameter ball end mill at 100 inches a minute and a spindle speed of 50,000 RPM. So here at Allendale Machinery, we've been using the air turbine spindles and recommending them for several years. The nice thing about using the air turbine spindles on the Haas is that we can put them in the tool changer and have integrated air without any other user interaction to turn the air on. This particular job that we're running today, I have 5 air turbine spindles all set up in the carousel of the UMC 500 SS. The air turbine spindles let us run at a continuous duty cycle 24/7 at 40, 50, or 65,000 RPM. That's a big increase from the 12,000 RPM that the Haas spindle comes standard.
I am John Shamrick. I am the sales manager at Haas Factory Outlet, Allendale Machinery. I've worked here for about 7 years, and of that time, I've gladly introduced my customers to air turbine spindles. They've been able to take any of our Haas machines from their standard RPMs up towards 90,000 RPM without sacrificing any power by using only 90 PSI shop air. Using air turbine spindles, there's no sacrifice in power to achieve the higher speeds. Governed high-speed performance means that your spindle does not slow down in the cut. We've had customers reduce their cycle times from hours to minutes using air turbine spindles.
Here we are with my friend Jayce Baudry, and we're going to explain to you guys how we're going to transform metal into chocolate. So here you go, Jayce. Please explain to us how that works.
So Olivier and his friends and teams have designed for me this matrix, personalized for a chocolate tablet. From there, I create like a little box all around this metal matrix, and I pour over silicone. I let it go overnight, and the next day I was able to remove it and to actually create a mold of this matrix, to create another matrix which was gonna be made of plaster. From there, I create 3 of them, and I glue them into a piece of wood with some little holes to be able to have some air coming up. And with another machine, we thermoform it. And from there, that's where we end up to have our final mold, which we will be able to do in chocolate. So that's how we go from a metal matrix into a chocolate mold. So now this mold I've been a little bit into the fridge, and we have left it crystallized fully at room temperature. And now we are going to be able to unmold our chocolate tablets. And you can see then the design, even with a lot of angles, the chocolate is really going everywhere and get every single part of it. So we now have our whole project, then you can see from start to finish.
Thanks to air turbine spindles that creates very fast parts with an astonishing finish. Hobby tools, they're like the best. Vericut, Mastercam, Allendale Machinery, the best of the manufacturing community came together to build that project.